Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk you what 10 jobs that will disappear by 2030. AI replacing them. What if your job disappear in the next few years? Sound scary, but it's already happening. AI, automations, and technology are replacing many jobs. In this video, I'm going to talk about which job are at risk and what you should do about it. Okay, so the reality is, let's be clear. Not all job will disappear, but many job will change or reduce. If your job is repetitive, it is a danger. Okay, so for job, I'm giving example. So first job is data entry. Data entry job are already decreasing. Why? Because of AI can read, write, and process the data faster than the human. Okay, and second job that is also going to be replaced, telecallers. Customer support is being replaced by the chatbot AI assistants. Many companies are already using them. Okay, and job 4 that is going to be replaced. And what is it? Self checkout machine and digital payment are growing fast. Okay, so fewer cashier are needed. Okay, so there is no need to hire multiple cashiers because self checkout machine and digital payment are growing fast. Okay, so fewer cashier are needed. Okay, other will be replaced. Okay, so after this, job 4, basic accounting. Simple accounting tasks are now automated. Software can track expense and generate the reports. So there is no need for basic accounting job. Okay, and job 5 that is also going to be replaced, factory workers. Robots are replacing repetitive factory work. They are faster and don't get tired. They will doing their work 24 into 7. Okay, so they never get tired like human. Okay, and they are faster as compared to human. So factory worker also going to be replaced. Okay, and sixth job that is also going to replace in 2020 and 2013 30. So travel agent. Okay, travel agent also going to be replaced. People now book everything online, flight, hotel, trip, everything they can do by their own. Why they need travel agents? Okay, so travel agent job is also not safe. Okay, and job number 7 that is also going to be replaced, driver job. So in many countries like China, Korea, Japan, self-driving technology is improving. Not immediate, but improving. But in the future, this will change driving job also. Okay, there is a self-drive. Maybe in 2030, we will have self-driving car. Self-driving car. Okay, so driver job also replacing with the AI in future. And job number 8, content writer. That is also going to be replaced, content writer. AI can write articles, emails, reports, script. Okay, so basic writing job are at risk. There is no, in future there will no need of content writer. Okay, and job number 9 also going to be replaced, that is retail workers. Retail workers, online shopping is growing. Store need fewer staff. Okay, so in retail job, like uh, as of now we are like we are hired the retail workers, but online shopping is growing. So store need fewer work, fewer staffs. Okay. So job number 10, bank clerk. Most banking is now digital. Apps are replacing many manual tasks. So this is also going to be, I mean, in future maybe bank clerk also going to be replaced. And what you should do so what should you, I mean, what you should do instead of focusing on skill, instead focus on skill that are hard to replace. Okay, so what should you do? So instead focus on skill that are hard to replace. Okay, learn problem solving, creativity, coding, and communication. Learn a skill that machine cannot easily copy, and that is not replaceable by machine. So the future is not about losing job, it's about adapting. People who learn new skill will win. Okay, so upgrade yourself or get replaced. Okay, so you, it's your choice, guys. So it's depend on you what you are going to do, what will you do. Okay, so follow for, I mean, subscribe for more career tips. Bye bye, take care.